Hello everyone. Here are some tips for everyone who is thinking about starting and growing a YouTube channel in 2023. Define your niche and target audience. Choose a specific topic or theme that you are passionate about and create content that appeals to your target audience. Create high-quality and consistent content. Regularly upload engaging, informative, and visually appealing videos that align with your niche and target audience. Optimize your videos for search. Use keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos show up in search results. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms and engage with your audience to grow your reach. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partnering with other YouTubers in your niche can help expose your channel to a new audience. Use social media to engage with your audience. Create a strong presence on social media platforms to interact with your viewers and keep them updated on your latest videos. Ask for feedback. Ask your viewers what they want to see more of and respond to comments to build a loyal following. Stay up to date with YouTube trends. Keep an eye on the latest trends and incorporate them into your content to stay relevant and attract more viewers. Remember, growing a YouTube channel takes time and consistent effort, so be patient and stay dedicated to your channel's success. Like and subscribe please.